All right, guys, AV Watchman out here with High Desert Community Watch. We are in Riverside, and we just stumbled across a maintenance facility yard. So we're going to go ahead and conduct the First Amendment audit. And, see if they're going to respect our right to public photography. This is the County of Riverside Facilities Management Yard, located on 3rd Street, 2500 block.
A little bit.
Yep.
Shady, right?
All right, guys. So there's two sides of this facility here. So not just to the right side of me, but also to the left side where these trucks are coming out from. Yep. So as soon as this guy came out of the gate, took one look at us and jumped on his phone. All right, so we have a lady. Looks like she's about to get into that white and silver SUV here. Get back to work. Back to work. Back to work. You get back to work. Shut up. Shut up. This character said that we want attention. Get back to work, putito. Back to work. What's that?
Go make your money for your welfare check. My name is Juan Calavera.
What's that?
I know your name. You're my son.
Fool was talking all kinds of shit. It seems like there's an expert inside of this yard.
Hey, shut up! You sound like my sister! Shut up! You sound like my sister! If you guys just do your job, you wouldn't have to deal with explain stupidity.
What did they say? Nothing or what?
Thank you for telling on us, Karen.
Bye, Karen.
Who did they say is in the call?
The
What's a Karen?
Yeah.
Perfect. Exact. What did I tell you?
Yeah.
Middle-aged white woman, bro. That's what the definition is. If you look it up on YouTube.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. It's a white woman that'll call the police on black or minorities.
For nothing.
For nothing.
Karen.
Karen. I got to show you some videos right of a regular car. You're going to trip out. And this is all within the last month. People are getting fired, losing their companies.
All right, guys. So I'm going to walk around the block here and check out the other side of this facilities management yard. All right, so here goes the front office on the other side of the building. In case of emergency or to access the building, please call the front desk.
Yeah, it's just the other side of it.
Oh. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and shut this one down and move on to the next location. This is AV Watchman out here at High Desert Community Watch, County of Riverside. This is the facilities management facility. And that's going to be it with this one. See you on the next one. All right, guys, make sure to go to my second channel, AV Watchman Vlog, Raw Uncut. Check out the interviews I'm doing over there on that channel. Be expecting 2 more uploads coming from me within this week here on AV Watchman. I appreciate all your love and support. Hope everyone's doing good out there, staying safe, staying hydrated. It's burning up hot. If anyone needs to get a hold of me, hit me up on Facebook under Steve Watchman. That's on Facebook, Steve Watchman. I will share the link in the description down below. You can also hit me up on Instagram, and of course you can get a hold of me here on YouTube, or you could just hit me up on my email, antelopevwatchman@gmail.com.